Miami has let Al Golden go as head football coach. I'm Jeff Fischel. This is the ACC Now. The move by athletic director Blake James follows the Hurricanes' 58-0 loss Saturday to Clemson, the worst loss in school history. James acknowledged in a statement that Golden led the program through some difficult circumstances, but James added, quote, "We have a proud tradition of excellence at Miami, not just in football, but in all sports, and we want to compete for ACC and national championships." Golden also released a statement saying, "On behalf of my family, I want to thank the University of Miami for a tremendous opportunity. Though this moment is difficult, we wish the Canes the best of luck going forward." Golden was 32-25 in 5 seasons and took the Canes to bowl games the past 2 years. In 2012, Miami earned the right to play for the ACC championship, but the school self-imposed a bowl ban so the team could not play in the title game. Assistant Larry Scott will replace Golden, serving as interim head coach for the rest of the season. I'm Jeff Fischel. This is the ACC Now.